Ever wondered how those tiny, sweet, colorful gems on top of your favorite ice creams and cakes are made? Today, we are pulling back the curtain on Tutti Frutti. Surprisingly, it's not made from mixed berries. In India, it is crafted from leftover watermelon rind. Let's get cooking. Step 1. Preparation and dicing. We start with a fresh watermelon rind. Peel the tough green skin. Scrape out every last seed and rinse it well. The secret here is uniformity. Chop the watermelon rind into tiny, even little cubes so they cook at exactly the same rate. Step 2. The blanching process. Next, we blanch. Drop your cubes into boiling water for about 5 to 7 minutes. We are looking for them to turn translucent, but be careful, do not overcook them. They need to hold their shape and stay firm. Step 3. The sugar syrup bath. Siwek. Now for the sweet transformation. In a separate pan, combine 2 cups of sugar and water.
As dissolved, add watermelon.
Simmer this on medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. We want the sugar syrup to penetrate the fruit until it reaches a one-string consistency. Step 4. Infusing the colors. This is where the magic happens. Divide your syrup-soaked cubes into separate bowls. Add your food flavoringa. You can select the flavor according to your preference. And again, add food colors. Red, green, and yellow are the classics. Stir well, cover them up, and let them rest for 12 to 24 hours. Step 5. The final drying process. The next day, drain away the excess syrup. Spread the colorful bits onto a clean kitchen towel or wire rack. Make sure they aren't overlapping. Let them air dry at room temperature for 8 to 12 hours until they lose their stickiness.